Want to stop saving Instagram photos and videos to gallery but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to stop saving Instagram photos and videos to gallery. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's begin by opening Instagram. Then click on your profile from the bottom right corner of the screen. At the top right corner of your screen, there is 3 horizontal lines. Tap on it. Now search for archiving and downloading. Click on it. After that, tap on the off button of Save Original Photos and Save Story to Gallery. And that's how you can stop saving Instagram photos and videos to gallery. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.